Oh, you're going to love this. 6-month-old Harper Yates has become the youngest person to travel to all 50 U.S. states. Starting in Maine back in June and ending in Vermont, Harper traveled with her parents, Tristan and Cindy, on an epic 4-month journey right across the country. All three of them are in studio with us this morning. Good morning, Harper. Good morning, Cindy. And good morning, Tristan.
Good morning.
Morning.
Thanks for having us.
She's just the smiliest baby. Okay, first of all, why new parents around the country are saying, why would you ever decide to do this with the baby? So tell us why.
Well, why did we want to do it?
Well, I mean, on one hand, we'd always set ourselves a kind of personal goal of wanting to get to all 50 states, and we'd made it through 19 before Harper came along. But then, yeah, when we knew that we were going to be having Harper, we knew that Cindy would be taking time off work for her maternity leave, and we just thought it'd be a great opportunity for me to take a break as well, just so that we could both be like hands-on and full-time parents to kind of share the burden of, well, I shouldn't say burden, share the load of, of raising a new kid and finish our goal.
So you figured out there's a 50 states club.
Yep.
What a great idea. Let's get Harper to be part of it, the youngest member. How old was she when you started?
We entered when she was 8 weeks old.
Wow. Okay, so we all want to know, what were your tricks for traveling?
Well, we took lots of regular long breaks. I think that was really key. We worked out early on not to squeeze too much into the day and to just break a lot and to make the car trip as much of the vacation as we could, because we were spending a lot of time in the car. We had to make that fun.
And how did she do?
She was surprisingly good. We always say, you know, you hear horror stories about traveling with a baby, but she was good. If we gave her lots of rest, lots of food or milk, and lots of, what else? A clean diaper?
Clean diaper when she needs it.
What about songs in the car? Did you play any, like, favorite children's songs in the car? Are you sick of them now?
Not necessarily children's songs, but we did have one playlist of music that I think we both liked and Harper enjoyed, and now it plays on loop non-stop.
What was it?
It's the Bucket List Family Spotify playlist.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it good? Okay, tell me about Harper's smile, because all of us were marveling at these photos where she's smiling in almost every single one. How did you achieve that?
Well, we kind of worked out a good little routine where we'd stop for photos after she'd been sleeping, made sure that she was fed, and then she was always in a good mood.
Ah, she's adorable and very fashionable, I have to add. Well done, all of you.
Thank you.
Can you tell us, Tristan, some of your favorite moments from the trip?
Yeah, I mean, there's obviously a whole long list of them, but, you know, a couple that stand out. Like one afternoon in particular, we were in Bismarck, North Dakota. We just visited the state capitol building there. We were just sitting on the grass, just relaxing and having fun. I was just jumping up and down, and Harper just kind of was laughing and laughing and laughing non-stop. So lots of little kind of moments just like that, as well as other things, you know, like we were in Yellowstone and saw bison and lots of cool animals and things like that along
Not
the
to
way.
mention, because of her age, she had a lot of firsts on this trip, right? A lot of, you know, baby markers, rolling over.
Yeah. Yeah, we fed her solids for the first time in Alaska. Yeah, she rolled over for the first time in North Liberty in Iowa.
Oh, she's very tired. I know, it's so early, Harper. I'm so sorry. We'll let you go home soon. You know, we're waiting for Guinness still to verify that she is the youngest person to do this, but this is quite a life accomplishment before she's a year old. Any other plans to celebrate or more travels in the future?
Well, we hope that this is just the start of a lifetime of travel for her and us as a family.
Harper is engaged in her own image, which I love so much. And we were too, Harper. We loved your pictures. Cindy and Tristan, thanks for bringing your whole family in.
Thanks.
Thanks for having us.
Bye.